Australians are big on volunteering. If you're a cloud engineer in Australia and looking to volunteer, then this is the best time. As Australia celebrates National Volunteer Week from May 15th to May 21st, professionals are taking to various platforms to share their experiences as a volunteer, the reason they choose, the organizations they volunteer for, and the benefits to their career. Charities, non-profits, sporting groups, consuls, and corporate firms are also championing the efforts of thousands of Australians who offer their time and expertise for free. So each year, Australia marks this week, but you don't have to wait for this week to volunteer. If you're looking to volunteer anywhere in Australia, like in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, or even in the smaller cities, then there are a lot of options available. Many companies like NAB, MasterCard, Oracle, Telstra, and various others also offer their staff paid leaves to participate in volunteer activities as part of annual leave program. Now, one of the charities which I volunteer for is the Black Dog Institute, which is um, one which is doing a wonderful job in terms of dealing with the mental illnesses across Australia. But you, you can choose your own charity and non-profit organization, and there are heaps of them. If you want to volunteer, all you need to do is to register on their website or simply even reach out to them and tell your availability, your expertise, skill set. So sometime it happens that you won't get exactly cloud engineering role to volunteer, but maybe you could help out in any other way. And there are a lot of ways which you can help out with. And if there is any emergency going on around in your area, you can even volunteer to work in that area. So I hope that this video will spark you to start volunteering as it's such a fulfilling and satisfying experience. If you have any feedback or ideas around volunteering, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.